What's up, you guys? StealthyRS here, once again with another video just for you. Today we got a little something different. We're getting rid of one of the aftermarket parts that we installed and we're replacing it with a different aftermarket part. This is gonna go. So I already loosened this, so obviously you just pull it off. You got your 4 bolts here, you got one here, one over here, one here, and one here. You just loosen them up. They don't come out of the cradle, so don't be alarmed by that. Next, we're going to loosen this screw right over here. Let me zoom in on that for you. So once that's loosened, we're just going to pull this filter out and replace it with the new one. And we got it off. So it's definitely a little dirty. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. Definitely a lot of bugs, dirt, so it's time to replace it. And yes, I am aware that you can clean those out. They are a reusable filter. Pretty much you just spray them off with the required chemicals. But we're going with a different style this time. We're going with the AEM Dryflow filter. Adam with Tune Plus recommended that I would go with the AEM rather than the green filter because the green filter was throwing a code for me. So the code that I was getting was P1548, which is an engine air filter restriction. The reason that that's happening is because it's an open-ended filter, so it's not getting as much air as what the vehicle is needed. It's getting less than what the factory filter was actually getting. So that's a problem. So the AEM filter is a closed-end filter, so we're going to try it out. Hopefully it doesn't throw any more codes, and let's get to installing. I guess I could have just taken the box out. Let's go ahead and show you all sides of the box. Side 1, side 2, as you see somewhere in there. Let me darken this for you. Focus, RS. Side 3 and side 4. So let me go ahead and open up the box and show you the actual filter, then we'll get to installing it. So there's the new filter. As you see, it's a closed end opposed to an open end. And as you can see, this one did not come with a clamp, so we're not going to bother with that if it didn't come with a clamp. Most likely, it doesn't need a clamp. Let's at least hope so. And just like that, it looks beautiful under the hood. Alright, you guys, so everything's buttoned back up, and we're in with the new, out with the old. Now let me see if I could get some assistance to see if I could get somebody to record for me real quick while I rev the engine so you can hear how this filter sounds in comparison to the green filter. Why you touch? Alright guys, as you can tell, the induction sounds actually pretty good. In my opinion, it sounds better than the green filter. So, on that note, I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. So, of course, if you've enjoyed the video, smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what filter you would have preferred on your Focus RS. And, of course, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Until next time, I'm checking out.